Unfortunately, in the world today, human beings have the tendency to turn to people for help. You know, we believe that it's all about what the government can do for us, what the politicians can do for us, who or what can do for us, which happens to be the means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sometimes use different means and mechanisms to create opportunities for us. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not need to use people and various mechanisms to provide us with something. Take, for example, a baby in the womb of a mother. Who provides the milk for that baby? Who provides, the sustenance for that baby? The baby gets the milk after, but who provided that milk in the breast of the mother for that baby? That's natural that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created. Who fed the baby when the baby was in the womb of the mother? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we can go on and on and on and on and on. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides for us. And Allah can use different means and mechanisms for such and such to happen. But Allah does not need means and mechanism for anything to happen. We always remind ourselves of Jesus, peace be upon him. The means of a baby being born is through a husband and wife coming together, and biologically they produce a baby. But Jesus, peace be upon him, was born without a man and woman coming together. Maryam alayhi salatu wassalam gave birth to Jesus, peace be upon him, without a husband. So Allah, human beings, which all science speak about, you need the coming together of a husband and wife, or whatever biological mechanism it takes to produce a child. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can do that without, if He wants to. Yeah, Allah can do that. Hence, as Muslims, as believers in Allah, we were taught to make the effort for things that we need, but our trust, our tawakkul should be in Allah.